Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to PMDC online lecture room. It's Nawaz Khan here, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, PMDC Hyderabad. Dear students, today my topic of discussion is from second year textbook, that is a hydrocarbon. In this topic, we will go through their introductions, types, important questions and ETA based MCQs. The word hydrocarbon is from Greek meaning hydrogen and carbons. So hydrocarbon means these are organic compounds which contain only hydrogen and carbon. For example, CH4, C2H4, C3H4, etc. These organic compounds play an important role in the daily life in the form of petroleum, natural gas and coals. These compounds serve as an important precursor for synthesizing large number of different organic compounds such as alcohol, alkyl halides, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, etc. Now come to the types. Hydrocarbons are divided into two major categories: aliphatic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. The overall view of this whole topic, hydrocarbons and their types, is given in this chart. Number 1, aliphatic hydrocarbons. These include the open chain acyclic compounds and those cyclic compounds which resemble the open chain compounds in their chemical properties. For example, propane and cyclobutene. Aromatic hydrocarbons. These organic compounds have at least one benzene ring in their structure. For example, benzene, toluene and styrene. Open chain are acyclic hydrocarbons. In these hydrocarbons, the carbon atoms are linked together in the form of chain which may be either straight chain or branch. In straight chain, in this case, no carbon atom is linked directly to more than 2 carbon atoms, as in normal pentane, which is given. Now branch chain, in this case, at least one carbon atom is linked directly to 3 or 4 carbon atoms. For example, this one, this is the chain, and here it is a methyl group, that is a branch. Both straight and branch hydrocarbons may be saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. So saturated these are also called alkanes, and in these compounds all the carbon atoms are bonded to each other by single bonds, and hence each carbon is bonded to 4 other atoms. They are called saturated because their valencies are fully satisfied with sigma bond. For example, normal butane. Look, this is a straight chain and each carbon is having 4 links with other atoms. They can be presented by general formula CnH2n plus 2, wherein is the number of carbon atoms. Now come to unsaturated hydrocarbons. In these hydrocarbons, the chain contains carbon-carbon multiple bonds, as it is seen in this propene molecule. In this propene there is a double bond, and this is 2-butene, it has 4 carbon atoms, and there is a triple bond between these 2 carbon atoms. So they have a multiple bond. Unsaturated hydrocarbons having carbon-carbon double bonds are called alkene, represented by general formula CnH2n, while those having carbon-carbon triple bonds are called alkynes, represented by general formula CnH2n minus 2. Now come to closed chain or cyclic hydrocarbons. In these hydrocarbons, the carbon atoms are bonded together in such a way that they form a ring or cyclic structure. Like open chain hydrocarbons, cyclic hydrocarbons may also be classified as saturated and unsaturated. Saturated include cyclobutane. Look, this is a ring. All the 4 carbon atoms are linked in the ring manner. And this is from unsaturated, is it has ring as well, a double bond. Now, important short questions and long question from this hydrocarbon portion is, so first we will discuss about the long question. Explain classification of hydrocarbons on the basis of structure and chemical nature. This is one of the important long questions. Now, short questions. What do you understand by aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbon? Second, differentiate between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now proceed towards important MCQs which are based for BICE exams as well ETA. MCQs number 1. Which one of the given compound represent olefin? Option A C2H2, option B C2H6, option C C3H5, option D C3H6. Number 2. Which one of the following compound have triple covalent bonds in their structure? Option A C3H4, option B C2H2, option C C4H6, option D all of these. MCQs number 3. The molecular formula CnH2n is applied for option A alkane, option B alkene, option C alkyne, option D alkene and cycloalkanes. Dear staff, faculty members and students, you can send your queries, suggestions if any, either via email at pmdc.suggestion@qsit.edu.pk or via WhatsApp at 031298331117. Thanks.